आज एक ऐसे बी स्कूल को कवर कर रहा हूँ विच इज बेस्ड इन इंडिया बट ऑफर्स इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर, जहाँ 90% फैकल्टी इंटरनेशनल है एंड द करिकुलम इंक्लूड्स अ 4-month इंटरनेशनल इमर्शन इन बोकोनी स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इन इटली. This is the SDA Bocconi Asia Center and I'm making this video in collaboration with them so that you get all the information consolidated in one video. So let's understand more about this B school. So starting with the details, here you can pursue a program which is called IMB, International Masters in Business. यहाँ से आपको बोकोनी स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट का ही alumni status मिलेगा, which is a very reputed global brand, but probably in India not all aspirants know the complete details. So Bocconi Asia Center has been here since 2012 and there are 11 batches that have already passed from its Asia Center. And if I talk about SDA Bocconi School of Management, वो more than 50 years old B school है. It is based in Italy and MBA world में आप किसी से भी बात करोगे, they would know about the Bocconi brand. अगर rankings देखो तो SDA Bocconi School of Management was ranked 5th by FT rankings, 3rd by Bloomberg in 2024, and these are worldwide rankings. So definitely one of the top B schools in the country. And the masters that you will get from Asia Center will be from SDA Bocconi Italy only, and you will also have 105 credit points under the European credit transfer system. तो आपको अगर बाहर भी जॉब करना है after this particular masters तो वो थोड़ा easy हो जाता है if you want to work outside India after this. But reputation of any B school आप बस placement से measure मत करो. It depends on the research, the curriculum, the pedagogy that they have, which ultimately helps the B school in the long run. But yes, I know placement is a very important concern for you and that's why I will be covering that in detail in later part of this video. But अगर curriculum का बात करूँ, it's a 22-month long program which includes a 4-month international immersion in Italy, which I was obviously previously referring to. And during these 4 months, you will be in Bocconi School of Management Italy, and along with the academic programs, you can participate in a number of other activities जैसे Bocconian Job Fair में participate कर सकते हो, live projects कर सकते हो, and many other things during those 4 months. So now that you know the details of the program, first let's start with the fees and the scholarship. Also the reason why I'm making this video before the CAT exam, because the early round deadline is 20th November, just 2 days away, and your chances of getting a scholarship of up to 80% is the highest in this particular round. Most scholarships and waivers are offered in this round only. So let me just calculate and show you how the waivers can reduce your overall expenses. So the total program fee is 20.75 lakh, and यहाँ पर they offer scholarships of 30%, 50% and 80%. So मान लो अगर आपको 30% का scholarship मिल जाता है, then your fees, overall fees reduces to 15.35 lakh. 50% scholarship में your fees will get reduced to 11.75 lakh, and 80% scholarship में it comes down to 6.35 lakh, which is amazing. And on top of that, you can also get an additional 2 lakh का scholarship under any of the 3 categories, and that is your sports and arts scholarship, women in leadership scholarship and dean's scholarship. So आप देख सकते हो fees कैसे reduce हो सकता है through the waivers and the scholarships. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि आप इस राउंड में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बिकॉज द कॉम्पिटिशन पूल फॉर स्कॉलरशिप विल बी मच लेसर कंपेयर टू राउंड 2 जो आपको मिलेगा. एंड इसलिए आप अपना बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट पॉसिबल दो, ट्राई फॉर मैक्सिमम स्कॉलरशिप, एंड वंस यू गेट द रिजल्ट देन यू कैन मेक अ फाइनल डिसीजन. अगर आपको बहुत बड़ा स्कॉलरशिप यहाँ पर मिल जाए देन इट विल मेक द डिसीजन वेरी इजी फॉर यू. रिमेंबर, ये फीस जो मैंने बोला है उसमें आपका मिलान के सेमेस्टर का ट्यूशन फीस भी कवर्ड है, बट डेफिनेटली जब आप मिलान में रहोगे कुछ लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस भी रहेंगे, एंड दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर लाइफस्टाइल एज वेल. सो एडिशनल 3 to 5 लाख का आप एक्सपेंस सोच सकते हो depending on your lifestyle. But now coming to who should apply and how you should be applying for this program. So anyone who has last year ka NMAT CAT score can apply using their last year scores as well, and any person who has more than 18 months of work experience should definitely apply in this particular round, because आपको scholarship मिलने के chances भी सबसे ज़्यादा है, profile based advantage बहुत ज़्यादा है if you have work experience. Freshers can definitely apply in this round, but अगर आपके पास already work experience है, profile based advantage रहेगा आपके पास. And अगर exam scores की बात करूँ, as I told, there's this unique thing, you can also apply using last year's CAT and NMAT scores in this round. उसके बाद you can also apply for their own test, the Bocconi test, through which you can apply, and the best of any of these scores will be considered. And जो current year का CAT and NMAT score रहेगा, that you can upload in the portal later as well. And GMAT and GRE scores are also accepted. And application start करने के लिए मैं application form का link description में डाल दूंगा. You can directly access it from there and start your application. And अगर मैं average scores बताऊं to get into this particular college, so NMAT में 230 plus is kind of a good score. उसके बाद CAT में 85 percentile plus is a good percentile to get into this college. But remember, it also depends on your overall profile for this program. The last last year अगर मैं बात करूँ तो CAT percentile, the lowest CAT percentile that could make it into this college was 81. So with a good profile, you can still make it. The good thing is there is no sectional cutoff for this college. So अगर आपको लगता है you can score above 80 percentile in CAT, then definitely it is worth taking a shot in this college. And अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका 97 percentile से ऊपर आ जाएगा CAT में, then obviously you will have a lot of other options open for you. So वो kind of range बन जाता है, 85 to 95 percentile range बन जाता है इस कॉलेज के लिए. And अगर आप NMAT एग्जाम के लिए अपियर कर रहे हो, then definitely this college should be on your list. Next, coming to the aspect which you all have been waiting for, and that is the placements. So if you see last year, the highest package was 36.5 lakh. Their average package was 15.01 lakh. This is obviously for the last year where definitely the market conditions were not the best for placements. And if you have a look at the placement report, you will see the complete list of companies that come to the campus. Definitely a pretty long one. You can see many reputed companies here like ICICI, HDFC, Dell, HCL, Mercedes hai, Samsung hai, and many more companies that visit the campus. And if you also check the summer internship report, the highest stipend for the last batch was 1.45 lakh and the average stipend was 45,000. Now, if you look at the batch profile, 388 students were part of this program, 52% female candidates, which is pretty diverse. Average age of the candidates was 23 years and you had 41% freshers. However, remember, anyone having work experience of 12 to 24 months does have a great advantage in terms of profile in this particular college. Yes, freshers can apply too, but there's a profile advantage if you have work experience. Class में आप देखो तो CAs, CFAs आपको मिल जाएंगे, engineers from IITs, NITs मिल जाएंगे, and from some top undergraduate colleges like SRCC, even lawyers, doctors, surgeons were part of the last batch, so it was pretty diverse in that sense. So I've covered almost all the details required for you. If you still have any doubt, do comment below. I'll be happy to address it, or you can also call their program advisor directly on this number and clarify your doubts. That's it for this particular video. See you in the next one.